Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best pop-up desk is probably one of the most revolutionary pieces of furniture to hit the home office market, offering unparalleled flexibility and ergonomic benefits that transform any space into a dynamic workstation with its effortless adjustability and compact design, making it an essential tool for modern professionals seeking both comfort and productivity in their daily routine, whether working from home or a temporary setup. Number 5. TableMate TV Tray Table. This lightweight yet durable tray is engineered to support up to 40 pounds, providing exceptional stability for all your needs. It even includes a convenient built-in cup holder to keep your beverages secure. Enjoy personalized comfort with its 6 height levels and 3 tilt angles. This allows you to use it as a bed tray or laptop table, ensuring no strain on your neck or back. Its unique L-shaped legs effortlessly slide under your furniture, making it perfect as a couch side table or bed tray. You can always position it exactly where you need it for maximum convenience. Setting it up is incredibly simple, no tools required, just slide it into position. When you're done, it folds completely flat, allowing you to easily tuck it away under furniture. Whether in your living room, bedroom, or dorm, it transforms into a mobile workstation or a convenient snack table. This versatile piece is perfect for casual dining or pursuing hobbies anywhere at home. What we like. This portable desk offers incredible versatility with its adjustable height and multiple tilt angles. It also features an L-shaped base that easily slides under your couch or bed for ultimate comfort. If you're looking for a flexible tray for meals, laptops, or hobbies right from your sofa or bed, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Mount It, Adjustable Rolling Laptop Desk. Create your ideal workspace with ease. This desk frees up valuable space and offers incredible flexibility, perfect for any home office, classroom, or shared environment where comfort and mobility are key. Experience comfort that adapts to your needs. Easily switch between sitting and standing with its smooth pneumatic foot pedal, and its adjustable height helps reduce back strain for healthier posture all day long. Despite its compact design, it offers a surprisingly spacious 23.6-inch by 20.5-inch tabletop. This allows you to fit your laptop, notebooks, and accessories, making it perfect for apartments, dorms, or any tight space. Enjoy effortless mobility as it glides across floors on 4 smooth caster wheels. When you need stability, simply lock 2 wheels in place, making it ideal for dynamic workstations or presentations. This desk is built to endure, crafted from durable steel, aluminum, and moisture-resistant particle board. It reliably supports up to 17 pounds, providing a sturdy, wobble-free surface for all your daily tasks. Assembly is incredibly quick and easy, with all tools and instructions included. You can have it ready to use in under 10 minutes, allowing you to start working smarter, not harder, right away. Rest assured with expert support for life. It's backed by a lifetime warranty, and US-based product specialists are always ready to assist you, ensuring peace of mind. What we like. This mobile desk allows you to effortlessly switch between sitting and standing positions with its smooth pneumatic adjustment. Its compact design and rolling casters mean you can move your workspace wherever you need it. If you desire a dynamic workstation that promotes healthier posture and can be easily relocated, this is ideal for you. What people say. Number 3. TechOrbits 32-inch Standing Desk Converter. Ready to stand? Simply squeeze the handle and use your body weight to effortlessly adjust its height. It's perfect for dynamic working styles, easily raising from 4.3 to 19.9 inches to your desired level. This ergonomic desk topper comes mostly assembled, requiring minimal setup. Just attach the keyboard tray using the provided tools. Built with a pneumatic lift and aluminum frame, it supports up to 33 pounds. With a generous 32-inch width, it provides plenty of room for your computer or laptop. You can comfortably fit dual monitors, a keyboard, mouse, speakers, and all your essential home office accessories. This converter doubles as both a rising desk and a versatile workstation. It's great for expanding small spaces, making it ideal for offices, study rooms, and more. Its adjustable height ensures anyone can find their ideal setup. Incorporating this into your workday encourages more activity throughout the day. This increased movement can significantly boost your productivity and improve your overall focus. What we like. Transform your existing desk into a sit-to-stand workstation with this robust converter. It offers a generous 32-inch surface, perfect for dual monitors and all your accessories. If you want to add ergonomic flexibility to your current setup without replacing your entire desk, this provides ample space and easy height adjustment. What people say. Number 2. WOHOMO Folding Desk 31.5 Oak. This compact desk is perfectly designed for tight areas. When unfolded, it offers ample surface for your small home office, a cozy corner, or even your caravan. Thanks to its clever nylon buckle design, folding and unfolding it is incredibly simple. This feature also ensures its legs remain stable and secure, preventing any wobbling. When folded, it boasts an incredibly slim profile, just 2.76 inches wide. This allows you to easily store it behind a door, under a bed, or in any small corner, keeping your room neat and tidy. Weighing less than 15 pounds, it's remarkably light yet sturdy. Even a child can move it with ease, making it perfect for shifting between rooms or taking it along on family travels. Setting it up is a breeze, with all necessary tools and a detailed manual included. Its 2 triangular supporting plates ensure extra stability, so you can start working in no time. What we like. This desk is a master of space saving, folding down to an incredibly slim 2.76 inches. Its lightweight design makes it effortlessly portable, perfect for moving between rooms or even taking on the go. If you live in a small apartment, need a temporary workspace, or frequently rearrange your setup, its compact storage and portability are unmatched. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted as requested. Number 1. VIVO K-Series 32-inch Height Adjustable Desk Converter Desk, V000K. This desk riser offers on-demand standing throughout your day. It allows you to get out of your chair, relieving muscle tension and reducing stress. Experience increased productivity with this patented design. Its top surface measures 31.5 by 15.7 inches, maximizing space for your setup. This provides ample room for dual monitors. The integrated keyboard tray also raises in sync, ensuring a comfortable workstation. Transition effortlessly from sitting to standing with its strong 33 pounds lift assist. It uses an innovative simple touch height locking mechanism. This allows it to elevate straight upwards, with an adjustment range from 4.5 to 20 inches. It requires very minimal assembly, almost ready to use right out of the box. Simply place it on your existing desk and attach the keyboard tray. You can then start organizing your new, active workstation immediately. This sturdy, high-grade steel design ensures durability. It is backed by a 3-year manufacturer warranty. Plus, friendly tech support is available to assist with any questions or concerns you may have. What we like. This desk converter provides an instant active standing option, allowing you to easily switch positions throughout your day. It features a synchronized keyboard tray that moves with the top surface, creating a comfortable and ergonomic workstation. If you're seeking a sturdy and integrated sit-to-stand solution for your existing desk that supports dual monitors and a full keyboard setup, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.